In a world accelerating toward automation and control, one small Canadian project asks a different question. What if AI was built for sovereignty, resilience, and community? This is Cascadian Forge AI News. Today's episode, Thermal Core Architecture, How Canada Could Build Energy Adaptive AI Buildings. What if our AI buildings could breathe? Not with lungs, but with thermal intelligence. Structures that store, move, and reuse heat the same way the body regulates temperature. Across Canada, innovators are experimenting with 3D printed concrete shells, thick, curved walls designed to act as thermal cores for AI infrastructure. These aren't data centers in boxes, they're living energy systems. Inside each building, heat from computing equipment moves through embedded water channels. That heat can be captured and looped into nearby housing, greenhouses, or desalination plants, transforming AI operations into district-scale heating assets. In summer, those same loops can cool the servers, stabilizing both the climate and the grid. This is bioclimatic design meets AI infrastructure, merging architecture, engineering, and ethics into one unified idea, technology that belongs to its environment. The result? Artificial intelligence hubs that act like organisms, self-balancing, modular, and capable of powering small communities. Here in Canada, where cold air, abundant water, and renewable energy intersect, thermal core architecture could become the blueprint for sovereign, sustainable compute. At Cascadian Forge, we see these structures not just as buildings, but as the lungs and heartbeat of a new AI ecosystem, one that's alive, adaptive, and deeply rooted in the land. And as AI expands, the question becomes, will our buildings evolve with it? This is Cascadian Forge AI News, where we explore the future of technology, energy, and sovereignty from the edge of the Pacific. Subscribe, share, and join us. Subscribe.